హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం మన పోకెమాన్ ఎమరాల్డ్ పార్ట్ 3లోకి వెళ్తున్నాం. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ది వీడియో. నేను స్పీడప్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది జిమ్. మనం జిమ్ గెలవాలి. ఎలాగని ఈసారి గెలుస్తామా గెలవమా ఒక్క మాట. డైరెక్ట్ జిమ్ లీడర్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసాను నేను. I am Brawley, due for gym leader. I have been searched in the rough waves of these parts, and I have grown tough in the pitch black cave. So you wanted to challenge me. Let me see what you are made of. Jack is out of Pokemon. Unusable Pokemons. Jack was. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం అది ఓడిపోయాం. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ వెళ్దాము. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాం కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళి ఆ జిమ్తో ఆడదాం. If you mean to pass, it has to be through me. Mighty try, come on. I am Brawley, due for gym leader. I have been churned in the rough waves of part of these birds and have grown tough in the pitch black cave. So you want to challenge me? Let me see what you are made of. I am made of a man thing. కానీ నిజంగా మాకు ఇంత పవర్ఫుల్, కానీ ఈసారి నాదే విజయం. They defeated Reader Brawley. Oh wow, you made much bigger splash than I accepted. You swapped me. Okay, you have got me. Take this gym badge. Jack got one. Jack received the Knuckle badge from Bowling. The Knuckle badge makes all Pokemons up to level 30. Even though you get in, trade, obey without question. And you will be able to use the HM Flash outside the battle. If you would like, use this technical machine to bulk up. It's a move that traces both attack and defense status. Register Jim Broly in Pokemon. Jim, not Jim Leader, not Jim, it's Jim Leader Broly. Okay, friends. లాస్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మనకి ఒక లెటర్ వచ్చింది, దాన్ని డెలివరీ చేద్దాం పదండి. Hey, you. It gets awful dark ahead. It will be tough trying to explore. That guy who came be early Steven, I think it was. He know how to use flash, so he out to be all right. But well, for us hikers helping out those that we meet in our mood. Here you go. I'll pass this one to you. Obtain the HM5 technique. The hidden move flash to a Pokemon and use it. It lights up even the inky darkness of caves. But it use it, you need the gym bag from the Brawling. No, 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 no. I need to catch her on. Got Aaron. Aaron did add it. No. Abra. Yeah. My name is Steven. I am interested in rare stones, so I travel here and there. Oh, a letter for me? Jack handed over the letter. Okay, thank you. You went through all this trouble to deliver that. I need to thank you. Let me see. I'll give you this TM. It contains my favorite Musty lyrics. Obtain the TM 47 in a TM and HM pocket. Your Pokemon appears quite capable. If you keep training, you could even become the champion of the Pokemon League one day. That's what I think. I know since we have got to each other. Let's register another's in our Pokenos. Register Steven in the Pokemon. Now I have got to hurry around. What do people do if they need to go to the washroom? What if my rod hooks a big one while I am in the washroom? I just can't go. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను లెటర్ని డెలివరీ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర 4 పోకెమాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం సెలిటా పోర్ట్కి వెళ్ళి మన ప్యాకేజ్ని డెలివరీ చేద్దాం. ఓ, ఫర్ యూ ఐ విల్ గో అవుట్ టు సీ ఎనీ టైమ్. నో మై ఫ్రెండ్, వేర్ ఆర్ వి బోర్న్? Salad port, is it? Akora Weg. Akora Savis. Peko, we are setting sail, my darling. My god. Mr. Brownie, we have made land in Seltapur. I suppose you are going to visit Captain Stern and deliver the divine goods. ఇక్కడ పోర్ట్ ఇది, షిప్ యార్డ్. వాంటెడ్ ఏ సేలర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఆఫ్ సైల్. ఇందులోనే the season, the weather, where the moon sits in the sky. These are other conditions make the sea change its expression. That's right, the sea is like a living thing. I get seasick really easily, so I get to help out here instead. Designing a large ship is more like making a building than putting together a transportation vehicle. Don't you think it's strange that a ship made of heavy iron floats? It floats because of a principle called buoyancy. If this goes here and that goes out there, then where does this thing go? And what about the doohickeys? It can't make heads or tails for this. Hi, I am Doc. Captain Steven commissioned me to design a ferry. Oh, that that day, are you divine? Are they divinos? But this won't do. Captain Strain went off somewhere. He said he had some work to do. Could I get you to go find Captain Strain and deliver that to him? Rexona. Oh, hello, Jack. This is Rexona of Rustboro City. I heard from Brother that you are moving up through the ranks of trainers at the incredible clip. Well, I rather not think that I can't beat you. I promise I will shape up my gym so that you may challenge us again. I hope you will be looking forward to that occasion as much as me. Gym leader Rexona has been registered. I am chairman of the Pokemon family. Being the chairman, I am naturally the most important. No one can best me when it comes to raising Pokemon. No one. Well, let me think you about Pokemon contest. They are events where one can show off Pokemon for the world to see. However, they are held in far off towns. That is why we gather here to show off our Pokemons and have others show us. Pokemon Battle Tent. right? Okay, friends, let's battle tent. Welcome to the battle tent set up outside. I am your guide to the battle swap tournament. Would you like to take battle? Swap challenge. Before you begin your challenge, I need to save data. Is it okay? Yes. Would you like to save game? This is already a saved file. Is it okay to override it? Save no. Jack saved the game. Please step this way. First, we will hold your Pokemon for safekeeping. You may then choose from our selection of Pokemon. Mighty Anna, Seedot, Vigoroth, Wailmer, Golbat, Bartoy. I choose Mighty Anna. What is 2000? My god. Vigoroth. Focus and if you sign your worst case. Wilmer, Baltoy. Self-destruct animals, I will. Yes, I will choose this. Go bad. Bye to torment. Wilmer. Follow to. Vigoroth. Seedot. Oh my god. ఇంత వరస్ట్గా ఉన్నాయండి. Wilmer. Yes. Write this way, please. Conversation can wait until I win. Defender, player defeated Lady Glenda. No, I was serious. Thank you for completing. Let us restore your Pokemon. Second match, go on. It, would you like to? No. Go on. Would you like to swap? Mighty Anna, Wailmer. Swap. Plus Samzigon Airstrike. Thank you. Your Pokemon swapping complete. Right this way, please. Keklian. A debate Pokemanic Davian. Thank you for competing. Let us restore your Pokemon. Gone. Yes. Mighty Anna Bardai Zigzagoon. Swap. Kiklian Macho. Yes. Thank you. Your Pokemon swap is complete. Ready, so please. Have a look at my confused array. Spinda. I'm sorry. Congratulations, you have won 3 straight matches. I will return your Pokemon in exchange for our rental Pokemon. I must also save your revenge. In recognition, of your revenge strike, we award you this prize. Full heal. We look forward to your next visit. Mm. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మనం మావల్ సిటీకి వెళ్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఏమంటారు? మావల్ సిటీ. The team action should bring smile to people's faces. ఓకే, వెళ్ళే ముందు మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక పని చేయాల్సి ఉంది, కాబట్టి ఆ పని చేసేసి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలి. వెల్కమ్ టు ద ఓషియానిక్ మ్యూజియం. The entrance fee is 50 rupees. Would you like to enter? Yes. Please enjoy yourself. What are you doing here? Me, I am the Team Aqua member. You topped before, remember? Back in Rust Borov Tunnel. Here, take this. You have to forgive me. Obtained TM46. The TM is suits you more than it does me. Hope I never see you again. Start bag. Thief. T-Max settlement. Yes, if you are looking for stream, that would be me. Those must be the parts I ordered from Mr. Stone of Demon. Thank you, that's great. We can prepare for expansion now. Hold it, we'll take those parts. What? Who are you people? We are Team Aqua. Our boss wants those parts. Shut your up and fork them over. Oh man, what a disaster. The boss is gonna to be furious. Snively Wims. Let me take care of this. super effective. Oh, what if we don't get those parts? We are in for. I don't count on being meddling with by some meddling kid. I came to see what was talking so long to snatch some parts and use it, simp and held up by a mercy child. We are Team Aqua and we love the sea, and I am a Team Aqua's leader. Archie, what makes you interfere with us? No, you can't be. You are not one of Team Magma. Wait, that can't be right. You are not dressed for the part. Pokemon people, all life depends on the sea. So Team Aqua is dedicated to the expansion of the sea. Don't you agree? What are you doing if a magnificent undertaking? Fine, you are still too young to understand or our noble objective. But I warn you, don't even consider interfering with our plans again. The consequences will cost you dearly. Or don't you forget it? You are. Oh, okay, you are Jack. Anyway, that was a tension situation. Thank you for saving us. Oh, yes, I almost forgot that you even brought those parts from the event, Jack. Handed the Devin goods. Oops, there are no items to lose. We have to set out on our ocean floor expedition really soon. Thanks again, but now I have got to go. Feel free to wander around and check out our facilities too. Okay, friends? Hmm. I'm sure I met you somewhere before. I introduce myself to you. If not, my name is Scott. I just saw T-Mac ran away from here. Like they were stung. Let me guess, you drove them away? Maybe, just maybe, the trainer. Alright, I think you are going to become a good friend. So, let's register each other in our Pokénaps. Register the Scott person in the What would you like to do in tag along with you? But I do not do wanted to keep an eye on the talents of other people too. So he'll be off to roam other towns a bit more. Be seeing you, Jack. Oh, Jack, imagine seeing you here. And where might be May be? Oh, I see. You two are running separately. Well, that's fine. Oh yeah, I hear that your Pokinav had a math call system installed. Well, then I should register you in my Pokinav as well. That way, even when we are apart, I can rate your Pokedex anytime. He said Professor Birch in the Pokinav. Jack, please keep an eye out for me. Well, I had better get going. See you, Jack. I would go anywhere to show off my delightful Pokemon. And cute Pokemon help each other. You won't see a more adorable sight. It wasn't close to what I could do to show off my Pokemon. I will have you as positive evidence as so often. Pokefan Isabella in Pokénap. 3 steps and 3 steps right and 2 steps front to reach the one rustic house. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You have been watched. Ha, girl. How did you know I concealed myself beneath this desk? You are sharp. Behold, for I am the greatest living mystery of a man in all of Hoenn. They call me the Trick Master. Glad to meet you. You have come to challenge my trick house, haven't you? That's why you are here, isn't it? Yes, it is. Considering your challenge accepted, enter through the scroll there and let your challenge commence. I shall be waiting in the back. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మనం ట్రిక్ హౌస్ని ఛాలెంజ్ చేద్దాం. ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో టైం లేదు కాబట్టి నేను ఇక్కడే ఆపేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియోస్. మీకు నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కనుక నచ్చినట్టయితే, అంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఏం చేయలేదులే కానీ నా ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ కనుక నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్. నా వీడియోసే మీకు బాగా ఇష్టం అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.